Hey guys, Mike with Palm Pros. We are going out to a job actually over in Longmont, and this job is a rebuild. Today is going to be like dirt work, establishing a final grade and getting the boulders prepped, getting the biofalls in, and getting the piping in. So, and let's go and check it out. As far as today's project, we're going to be setting in biofalls. We'll have 2 biofalls up top. We're going to be running 3-inch piping coming down and around. We'll have our skimmer box down in this corner here, and we're going to be pulling some, if we can, we're going to try and pull some of the boulders out and kind of stage them out here. So just closing off here, guys did a fantastic job. Absolutely love it. We've gotten down to dirt, getting some rocks put in. We got that first waterfall-ish going on, and doing a great job. So we are going to be back here in the morning, and we will talk to you then. All right, I'm out here at Home Depot this morning. This is day number 2, and we're going to pick up some pea gravel that we need for a very large rock that we're going to set this morning, and we'll see you in a bit. Absolutely love this guy's truck. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? Never know what you find at Home Depot. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. All right, made it out the job site. Just beat the guys a little bit, so I'll be expecting them here in a few minutes. We got our pondless vault in. We're basically going to be doing 2 biofalls up top here. And then we're going to have a series of waterfalls. It's going to split. We're going to have waterfalls off each side. It's going to be a collection off of one single rock down below, just below this. And so that'll be a larger stone that we're going to need with the pea gravel. We're going to have what's called a pond with a vanishing edge. So that vanishing edge is going to basically have a stone acting as a waterfall. So as the pond level rises up, it actually spills over that stone going into this vault here. All right, I'm out here just kind of checking on, I believe this is day 6. We had some modifications, some changes to the project, to the pond, and let's go take a look, see what we got. Alright, so what this is basically a waterfall. We've got 10,000 gallons on the right and about 8,000 gallons on the left coming down. It's collecting into a single pool in here, and we've got a single waterfall that goes into the pond. Basically, this rock acts as a skimmer, as it skims, all the leaves and debris are going to wind up basically over this waterfall and capturing into this, you know, bed of gravel here. So this is a lot more work to do, but in the long run, it definitely is a great filter in essence from having to deal with a skimmer box, especially at a commercial property like this one. Lots of leaves up in these trees, and so we want to at least limit the amount of maintenance dedicated for like a skimmer box. Guys are done for today. They're going to come back, do some more detail work, and do a little bit of foaming, hide some of this liner, that sort of thing. So everything looks pretty good. I am out of here, off to the next job. If you would, please like, comment, subscribe. We would love that. And we will talk to you soon.